Hello, good day, friends. I'm super excited to show you all this platform that have actually been earning over 200,000 in Naira, and also that is 125 USDT if you are converting it to Naira. Now, on this platform, it's not actually really capital intensive for those people that are actually complaining and saying, okay, I don't have money, I don't know how to actually earn. Now, please note, this is not a quantitative platform. You can actually play with around 1 cent. You can start with $10 and then you grow your account little by little. So for me on this platform, I already have an account and I'm going to be withdrawing the sum of around 50 USDT, that is around 80,000 naira. Now let me quickly, because this platform also have what is called a calculator. I'm going to explain all that, so quickly let's get started. Please make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel, because I'm going to be going on live. I'm going to go on live stream, and where I will share my screen and also teach you how to use this platform effectively and so that you can earn. I've been on this platform for over 2 months and I'm earning. So all you need to do to get started here is to click on the pinned comment in this video. It's also in the description box. Sign up using your username, use your phone number, input your password, then you input it again. It's something basic that you can do. So for me, I have an account. Let me just log in immediately. As you can see, I'm logged in on my platform, and you can see this is the major interface you will see, and then you click on game. There's an arrow pointing at it. Once you click on game, what I'm going to be showing you guys here is what mine sweeping and red and green. So for red and green gaming, what you are going to be using is a signal. So click on mine sweeping. Mine sweeping is what the fifth icon on your middle, fifth, there's an arrow pointing at it. If you don't understand anything, make sure you find a way to my Telegram channel, because I'm going to go live on my Telegram and explain this thing the more. So now for mine sweeping, you are going to start up. Now, like I said, you can start up with even $10, and you can actually play here with even 1 cent, that is 0.01. 1 cent is 0.1, right? So you can start with 0.01. So for me, I'm making use of $1 based on my own capital, because that's how I'm actually growing my account and I'm earning more. So you can earn more. Our earning will differ based on how much you have. So if I start with 1 USDT here, now what you are going to do is an arrow pointing at it, and there's an empty column where your balance is showing you below your screen. If you click on $1, the next thing you're going to do is to click on confirm. Now once you click on confirm, then you are going to just randomly pick 3 boxes here. Let me do it 1, 2 and 3. So if you click on 3 boxes, if it fails here like this, it shows you that you didn't win, right? So that's why you now click, there's an arrow pointing at it, you click on ×3. So that ×3, what you want to do now, after you click on ×3, you click on confirm. So that's why I will urge you not to go with much capital. Start with a little capital so you can actually grow your account, but however you are going to recover it. So let me click on another 3 again, 3 random boxes again. So I click on settle now, I click on confirm. So let's see. So you can see this is a win. You see, the first one was a loss and then the second one was a win. So you can see I've actually recovered what I lost earlier on. So that's how it actually works. You actually be earning. So for that's how mine sweeping actually work. So if you have any question, ask me. I'm still going to explain, or you find a way to my Telegram channel for the live stream so you can actually see me teach everybody at once again. So the next one we're going for is what the red and green. Red and green is the second to the last icon. You are going to see red and green 1 minute. There's an arrow pointing at it. So once you click on red and green, now this is where I'm going to take my time to explain this for you. Now for the red and green, what we have here is that look at an arrow pointing at this. We have a number. Right above you see NO, and there is this number and there is these different colors. So let me go to their official channel so you can see. Now this is the official channel, right? I'm going to drop the link to the official channel in the comment section, in the description box of this video, the link to their customer support in the description box of this video. So you can now, for their customer support, once you register and you start with around 20 USDT, they are going to give you $3 deposit bonus. So you contact their customer support to give you your bonus. If you have problem contacting them, find a way to my Telegram channel and come and ask me. Just the link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video. You understand? So now this is how the color works. Now for the color, if you join this Telegram channel, they are giving a signal for around, let's say around 12 noon. That's for 12 noon. So this is how it works. Let me show you how this signal works. Now if you look at this here, you will see what there is a number. After the number, you see there is color and then there is stage. So let me go back to that calculator that I was actually sliding so you guys can see. Now look at this calculator very well on my screen. You will see that there is stage 1, stage 2, stage 3, thereabout. Now, and you now observe that there is what capital. Look at it very well. at top of the table is what, $10. So depending on the capital you start with, you are now going to make use of this calculator well. So for me, I'm starting with, you can see for my own account is over like 400 USDT plus. So look for how much you are starting with here. I will urge you to start with something reasonable like 50 USDT, but if you don't have much, you can start with $10 here, and then you start with 0.001. You understand here? So that's how the calculator works. So you'll be making use of the calculator so that you can actually use it to trade. So now for that calculator, you impute an amount based on your what capital, and then look at the color here and look at the stage. Now what if they keep on going for more stages? That means they are trying to recover what they have lost. Now this is how it actually works now. For example, this is actually the signal time, right? So please make sure for this signal, don't do it randomly on your own. Follow their signal group that they are giving you to play this game, right? And then look at the color here. So if you choose the color, let me just play this randomly for the sake of me making this video, because now the number here, this is what I'm supposed to use, but currently when I'm making this video, there is no signal that is being delivered, you understand? So let me go with this now. Let's say for example I want to just pick anyone randomly. I'm just going to come here again, there's an arrow pointing at it. I click on $1. I'm trying to utilize my font right here. Then I click on red here. Then I click on confirm, and I click on confirm. Now for this, now after I'm done clicking confirm, I'm going to still wait for this countdown. You can see an arrow pointing at this countdown, right? I'm going to still go and make a withdrawal so you guys can actually see. So after the countdown is over, it's going to now confirm if my signal is a win or if it's a loss. Then after that, if it is a loss, remember I said you are going to click on ×3. So please make sure you are using capital that is not, don't go and just carry all your savings. You know, this is actually cryptocurrency, so make sure you are using capital that you can afford to let go, and don't be greedy. So the next slide you are going to see is my withdrawal confirmation. Thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you find your way to my Telegram channel. The link to my Telegram channel is in the pinned comments of this video. This is my Telegram channel. There are different ways that we end here, so you can come and ask me questions. Thank you for watching, guys. I want to place a live withdrawal now. This is 56 USDT, which is around 90,000 in Naira. So if I want to withdraw this right now, what I need here is to set what my withdrawal address, USDT TRC20 network. So the address that you are going to use, you are going to bind it to this. If you have any problem, ask me in the comment section and come to my Telegram channel. And then the next thing you need to do is to set up your fund password. Your fund password should be at least 6 numeric number, and then you will place withdrawal. So I'm going to place the withdrawal right now. You can see my withdrawal is successful. There's going to be a notification that is going to come straight into my Bybit account, so you can see this is the amount I have here right now. So guys, this is it. Our withdrawal just arrived. Let me show you guys the notification. This was the notification for our 56 USDT. This is it. You can see it. This is the notification of our 56 USDT. So that's it. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe.